My workshop, drill machine, grinder, ampere meter, dermals. One dermal is over here. One is in this red box, pink box. 4-inch bench vise. My tools, my nut bolts, all in this wooden box. Chargers. These are all my spanners, pliers, screwdrivers, blowers, grinder, one more. These are my tools with nut bolts in this boxes, hammers, and what else? This is my tools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 black, 1 green, 1 black with blue, and this orange color. And 2 toolboxes over here. This one, blue one, this blue under the cloth, and this green. Bench grinder, 6-inch vise, my lamps, my all scrap over here, wood, iron, puddles. These are buckets. Acids is down there. Coca-Cola bottle. And this is also my glues, white one glues, my jacks, my heater, my charger, this one. So that's all I have, bigger one. And this is my more tools in these jars. My this one, what you call it? What you call this one? Lights again. Yeah. This one. Light. Good. My nails. Drywall screws over here. More screws in this box. Drill bits. I have drill bits down there. Inside this cupboard. And this is my electrical stuff. This is also underneath that. All my wires, electrical stuffs are here. Over here. This is my gun. Over here. I keep it in this, what you call it? That's the gun. I keep it in here. My knives. These are my knives. Some more tools over here. Pen, pencil. This one is PH2. Phillips bits. My rulers, cutter. And there's more tools over here. That's my handy tools. Oh, these are dies. These are more dies over here. This one. This bolt cutter. This die more. These are dies. Die holder. These are my files. More files are in the toolbox. This is nearly 50 files. Fine, coarse, thread, extra fine. I have all files. Round ones. This is round one. These are fine ones. There's the square one file, fine ones. These are round files, quartz, and this is my extra coarse file, bigger one. I keep it over here. Oh, come on, go. Okay, thank you very much, guys. If you like my workshop, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the video faster. My dryers, this is my drill bench vices, 1, 2, and this is 3, and this is wooden one over here. My electrical wires, extensions. So thank you very much, guys.